Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I'm going to teach you how to fix Assassin's Creed Rogue not opening or launching error on your device. So before we start, make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on with the video. So the first fix that you can do is to run the Assassin's Creed as an administrator in your device. So to do that, you can right click the exe files before launching them and then just choose the run as administrator option. And you can also do that by right clicking and choosing the properties and then go to the compatibility tab and just ticking the box to the run as administration option, and finally just click the apply option to finalize the action. And then next, you can also try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. So you can do that by simply going to your settings and going to apps and then just locate the Assassin's Creed and then uninstall it. And then after that, after uninstalling it completely, you can reinstall it. You can reinstall it again in your device and check if that fixed the problem. And then next, you can contact Assassin's Creed Rogue support. So you can do that if the problem didn't get fixed after the steps that I have told you or showed you. You can go ahead and try contact Assassin's Creed Rogue support. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.